Hi, this is Sarah Marks, one of the librarians here at UMass Lowell. For this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize one of our ebooks without having to check it out. This is a really good way to utilize textbooks that we have in our ebook collection. You're going to be one of 20, 30, 40, maybe even like 60 or 100 people trying to get access to the same ebook. But like with any physical book, usually only one person at a time can have access to it. So how do you get around it? Instead of downloading the book and reading it online, you can download sections, pages, and print those or read them on your ebook reader. I'm looking here at a textbook for a psychology class. You can see here it tells you what we have access to. You can read it online, you can download the book, but you can download a PDF or chapter. You can get up to 670 pages at a time, and it doesn't expire. But you have to go chapter by chapter to get that. So this is what you do. If you scroll down, you'll see the options from the table of contents. You can skip the cover, the title, the copyright page, the table of contents, contributors. Focus on the content you need to read for your class. So if it says for week 1, you have to go into section 1, click on subsections, and see which one you need. Do you need chapter 2? If so, click download PDF. You can see here, it's telling you how many pages you are going to be looking at, from 28 to 56. But you can even go smaller from there. If you only need to read the cross-references or the domains of the BAP, just get that content instead of all of it. Not only does it save paper if you want to print, but it saves a lot of time if you just want to read those subsections. If you want to read them right here, right now, click Read Online. But if you want to download the PDF, click on that. It's going to prepare your PDF. You can download it and read it on your ebook reader, or print the pages. If you want to read it online, if you think you can get through it quickly, do so. You can see here that you have all the options like a PDF. You can take notes and highlight content and add bookmarks, and it will save it to your account. And you can scroll through different pages so that you can see all the sections that you need. But you're actually looking at the entire book. You've just been taken directly to the first page of the section you're looking at. So that's how you can use an ebook without checking it out. And this will allow everybody to have access to it without worrying if they're going to get turned away when they want to read too. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the library on our webpage and our FAQs. You can also see other videos about searching for ebooks or other topics related to your class textbooks. Check out a video here, but subscribe and like our channel because we're always posting new videos to help you do better with research in our databases. Thanks!